Hello folks, it's December 28th, 2009, and we are looking at an unnamed pond in Hamilton Township, Atlantic County, about a mile off of State Route 50. Now, as you can see, it's frozen, but what's unusual is the fact that it's so full. The water level's the highest I've ever seen, and it can't get any higher actually, because it's high enough that it's flowing over the dirt road that I drove in on, which you'll see momentarily. I think it's about 40 degrees and very windy. Of course, there's a lot of great shapes here. Had to say that for my Long Island friends. Okay. Over here, see, there's the water level, there's the pond. And I don't know if you can see through the woods there, but there it is, meeting up with the road. Here's the road. There's the intersection down there where I've done some videos in the past. In fact, this meets up with this little wetland over here. It's all continuous. Now you may be able to hear some of the wind, but over in that direction you can hear traffic noise from the Atlantic City Expressway. Oh, it's not too far away. Yeah. I'm going to shut this off. What I think I'm going to do is put my boots on and walk over there. I wonder if that entire road up there is underwater. It could be. But I don't really want to drive in there for the sake of the water. I don't want to pollute it. Okay, I've now put my boots on. These things really come in handy sometimes, like right now. Unfortunately, the sun has gone behind a cloud. Actually, a lot of clouds. There's still some blue sky. Alright, let's take a walk. Alright, there's where we saw earlier, where the road is now connected to that pond. Over here we have a roadside ditch. Everything is connected to that pond now. I'm in the shallowest part of the water. Not quite over the top of my boots. Of course, this is a combination of snow melt and rain. It's got to be icy cold. In fact, there's still ice in the ditch over here. And as you saw, the pond is still covered with ice. See, there's the road surface. I have never ever seen anything like this here. I'm not even approaching this. Well, there's a little high spot. For some reason, we have an aspen tree right there. I don't know why. Alright, the road's dry here. But there's the ditch. Well, I wouldn't say dry. Let's say not underwater. Alright, so the water extends all the way out to here. Alright, we get some sun. Momentarily. And as you might remember from previous videos I shot here, this is an old paved road. Even though it's dirt now, you can sort of see the old asphalt here. Alright, up here is a little bit higher. Okay. I see that back in there it's either a clearing or another pond. Of course, these puddles are always here, or almost always. A lot of great shapes around here. Looks like a wall of pine trees next to the road. This is also a great area for mountain laurel. Which I thought that was. No, that's not though. Great area for mountain laurel, especially out that way. Anyway, the main point of the video is just to show the flooding, so we'll end this here. Until next time, folks.